often blame AI assistants when they hallucinate or write bad logic, but the real culprit is usually the developer, feeding the wrong inputs. We take standard READMEs, wikis, and system architectures and hand them straight to Copilot or Claude. But those documents were built for a human brain. Human engineers need tutorials. We require step-by-step narratives, conversational pacing, and broad contextual introductions to figure out how a codebase actually fits together. To a large language model, all that helpful conversational padding is just noise. It dilutes the strict logical constraints and specific file paths the agent actually needs to write working syntax. The model gets lost in the prose. It grabs the wrong variables, misinterprets the architecture, and confidently outputs logic that breaks the build the second you hit run. The reality of modern software development is that the most frequent reader of your repository is no longer a human being. It is an automated coding agent. This creates a massive translation bottleneck. We are forcing machine executors to parse human intent through an inefficient conversational filter. Relying on traditional human-centric documentation in an AI-driven environment guarantees processing errors. The format itself is the point of failure. OpenWiki is a command-line interface built to bypass that failure point entirely. It generates documentation exclusively for non-human readers. Watch how this diagram maps the process. OpenWiki reads through your unstructured repository and translates the code into a dense, interconnected knowledge graph. Instead of a sprawling wiki, that optimized data structure funnels directly into rigid target files, like CLAUDE.md and AGENTS.md, right in your root directory. When a coding agent scans this file, it gets pure, context-dense instructions, eliminating ambiguity. Normally, maintaining a strict technical map like this by hand would take a developer hours of tedious updates every week. OpenWiki automates the heavy lifting. It rewrites your codebase into a language your tools instantly understand. But a static file rots the second a team pushes new commits. Enterprise codebases evolve by the hour. To prevent that decay, OpenWiki runs a self-healing automation loop using GitHub Actions to monitor your repository for daily changes. This schematic outlines the daily lifecycle. Once every 24 hours, the workflow parses any new code updates, structures the agent instructions, and automatically opens a pull request with the fresh documentation. Large teams often need to deploy these pipelines across highly restricted or custom infrastructures. The CLI supports alternative base URLs to handle this. You can route your Anthropic or OpenAI-compatible inference through internal enterprise tools, like a LiteLLM proxy gateway, keeping your data secure while the pipeline runs. Without an automated, self-updating pipeline, the context you provide your AI tools will inevitably degrade. Every modern software repository must now hold dual citizenship. Track 1 is the human layer. You maintain standard, narrative-driven READMEs strictly to onboard new developers and explain the product vision. Track 2 is the machine layer. This is the invisible, automated OpenWiki pipeline operating in the background, dictating strict terms directly to your AI agents. Forcing both audiences to read the same file means neither gets what they need. Failing to separate these tracks artificially limits how well your AI tools can perform. Do you write docs for humans, machines, or both? Let me know your strategy in the comments. You can find the OpenWiki GitHub link in the description below, and make sure to subscribe for more architecture breakdowns.